Okay, sharp. Pirates has the ball. Angithi, don't lose the ball in the middle. Pirates yenzani? Because uthanda ukugijima too much. Mfana kithi. You need to relax. Aye, okay, sharp. Now, Milford is attacking. Ne? Yeah, attacker. Let me take it back. I want you to watch this guy. He scans like 2 or 3 times. This guy, he scans. He scanned 3 times on his left. He scanned 3 times on his left. Now, you get the ball, you know, I need to scan it. You know, there is no Pirates player this side. Kune player lakho. Can't tell me ukuthi awuyiboni red, yeah? You do what? You take the ball there. Yo. Poor decision making. Nangu umuntu la. Even nepass yakho, yeah? You are forcing issues. There's no need for you to play it through pass there. There's no need for you to play it through pass. You play the ball to feed. You play the ball to feed. Now he decides to continue to play the ball this side. Why didn't he do that in the first place? Uskenile, guys, 3 times. When he was running, he scared. 1, 2, 3. But you still decide to pass the ball right. Another one. I mean, angazi why these players mawafika esikotini. Are selfish. Ufuna ukuthengisa fish. Don't sell fish here. Okay, sharp. Now Pirates loses the ball. This is a trap. As a midfielder, you must never want to pass umuntu okude so. It distance is too much. It's too much. Umbatha tries to play the ball to a police. Yes, he's free, Mara. The distance is just too much. Milford yenzani, they win the ball. Sharp. Uqedile ngaye. Mfana kithi phasa. Why you thengisa fish? Unike utakuniketa. Bafethu. Uqedile ngombatha ngithi. Why don't you pass the ball there? Why don't you pass? Yeah? Pass the man. Unikete. Eh? Uyamnika. It's either this guy he's going to shoot or he's gonna pass the ball back to you. Oh, my man, selling fish esikotini. My man. Awazi ukuthi labantu laba badla inyama yenhloko. Poor decision making. Now, siku Pirates. Yeah, poor decision making. Ikale la. Pirates does not do this. Ngizoyidlala then ngizoyibuyisela emuva. Abosibisi. Suka. Now, if you know Pirates, right? If ibola lila, most of the time, liphathwa ugoalkeeper. Then Umbatha will be here. Kube double pivot. So the problem started there. Watch Tito. The smartest player. I know there's already people about Pirates, but Tito here, Tito this, Tito that. Look at Utin. Pass, relax. You pass the ball there, then you move into your position. We have a structure of doing things. Stop trying to do isn't Problem started here. Calling. No, my man. Move into your space. Now, Sibis, as a kid, as a center back, as a defender, you're always told, you don't play the ball across. So, you don't play the ball across. You do not play Ebola across. This man comes from the World Cup. Ubatla urijisa mona nahana 20 minutes. Why bonga pass? Why beka ngapass uSipho Chain nge?